So people always ask me, what can I do and make money online without any capital? And the truth is that there's actually a gold mine going around right now that a lot of you guys are actually missing out on, and this gold mine is called Facebook. Yes, you heard me right, Facebook. In this particular video today, I'm going to share simple methods you can use to start making over $100 every single day from Facebook. You heard me right, I said $100 every single day from Facebook. Facebook has been paying people for years now, but recently they brought monetization to us right here in Nigeria, and I think this is the right time to tap into this particular opportunity and start making good money, because whether you like it or not, a lot of people are actually earning from this particular method. If you go online, you're going to see a lot of creators showing their earnings on Facebook or their earnings from Facebook. Some people are saying, God, when? God, why not me? God, why am I not the one? I wish it was me. Well, you can stop wishing right now, because they actually stopped wishing one day and they started, and that is why I want you to take action today. Another thing you need to know is that since the rise of AI, a lot of people have been utilizing AI to make money online for themselves. AI has been able to help a lot of people in their workflows, in their side hustles, to build their businesses. People have been using AI as influencers, so why not you? That's why this is a great opportunity for you to tap into and start making money with it using Facebook. And the funny thing is that Facebook is one of the side hustles that they can start without any capital. So pay attention and listen. I know some of you will say, okay, why should we listen to you? Well, I think you have to listen to me because in a very short period of time that I've been able to start using Facebook, or to start being serious on Facebook, I've grown 2 pages to a significant amount of following, and I've been able to earn money. I've been able to monetize these pages in a very, very short period of time, and I believe I know what I'm saying. I've been able to generate 10 million views, 5 million views, 2 million views consistently every single month from different Facebook pages that I personally manage. So I believe I have something to tell you, and I believe you can learn something from me. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can keep getting more content from me. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you for coming back. Or if this is your first time watching me, well, you're welcome to the family. If you find this video helpful after watching it, just click on that particular thank you button right there, and I appreciate the effort. So let me take you down to my phone screen and let's get started. One of the best places for you to get posts and post them is from X, formerly known as Twitter. Picking a niche is very important so that you can know what you're posting. For example, my niche is side hustles, so anything about side hustles my audience should be interested in. Over to Twitter and search for any post you want to search for based on your niche. Now when it comes to my niche, like I said earlier, my niche is all about side hustles, so I'm going to check for posts that talks about side hustles. This post got over 225,000 views on Twitter right here, over 225,000 views on Twitter, and this post actually got a lot of comments and a lot of engagement. The more shares you have, the more like you have, the more comments you have, the more Facebook is going to pay you, so you need to take note of that. So let me just copy this, just come over to ChatGPT, let me paste the title right here. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, rewrite this post, give me 10 post recommendations for Facebook that will go viral based on my niche. So I'm just going to click on send. So ChatGPT gave us everything, but they actually know details right here. So I'm going to ask it to add details for us. I'm just going to click on for each of the posts, add details. So let me just go ahead and put that. So ChatGPT gave me some steps right here, and we have our Facebook post to go. The next thing we are going to be doing right here, based on the post we saw on Twitter, this post had an image right here, and each of the comments under this particular post, I think they also came with an image. We have to go over to Pinterest right here and search for work office. Let me just say work office or something. So let me just go for work office right here. So this is the same thing we saw on Twitter. I mean, this actually looks nice, you can see. So I'm just going to come here and click on download image right here. And the next is for us to come over to ChatGPT and go ahead and copy the post ChatGPT gave us. So let me just click on copy. You can see this is the post, the main post right here. Let me come over here and copy all the whole comments. Based on the Twitter post, I'm supposed to copy them one after the other so that I can attach images for each of them, right, which will be more engaging, you understand. So but because of time, let me just show you guys how to do this. So I'm just going to come over to Facebook right here, and I'm just going to import the image we just downloaded from Pinterest. I'm just going to come over here and put that particular post. So I'm just going to come here and click on next. So let me just click on next, and let me just post this on Facebook. Let me just come over here and click on the comment right here, And let me just go ahead and paste the comment I just copied from ChatGPT. Let me just put the comment right here. So let me just pin this. This is another style that actually works. You can use this style too and post this consistently and make some money. Remember, I said minimum of 50 posts every single day. Post 50, that's the challenge I'm actually giving you, and see if you're not going to get results with this particular method. The second method right here is for you to use Facebook. This particular person right here made a post right here. Is allowed to take screenshots on Facebook. You can take the screenshot. What you can do is just for you to open your image editor. So let me go ahead and show you how you can do that. Just going to come down here and import that post we got from Pinterest. Remember that post, right? So we got that from Pinterest. So let me just import that post. I have to blur this particular image right here. Import that screenshot I took. Let me give this a little shadow right here. So you can see right there, I just gave this a little shadow. You can see this actually looks nice. Now for the background is too blurry, reduce it a little bit. Let me just go ahead and zoom this in more. Okay, that looks good already. You can see that looks good. Now you have to modify the post. Anytime you screenshot a post from Facebook, you have to modify it. If not, Facebook is going to see it as a low quality content. Taking screenshots is allowed, but you have to learn to modify the post so that Facebook is not going to flag it as low quality content. You understand? And I'm just going to come over here and modify this post, make it more clean and neat, right? And I think our post is good already. If you want to put your handle, you can put your handle. Save this post, and that's it. I'm just going to come over to Facebook right here and post it. And type something funny. You can just type something like God when. I mean, this is actually nice now, God when. So I can just put something like a sorry emoji next, and I'm just going to click on post. Whenever you create a post and post it on Facebook, make sure you share the post to your story, because Facebook also pay people for their story. So let me just come here and click on story. Let me just put that post we just got, and let me just click on post. This method I just showed you now just gave me, you can see I posted this post like 3 days ago, and this post has already given me over 338,000 views, and I've gotten over 9,000 engagement, over 416 new followers, and just 21 cents. If you have a lot of posts and you earn this amount of money, the money actually compounds to something tangible. All your posts will not pay you the same amount of money. Some will pay you much, some will pay you less. You understand? If you earn more, you collect it. If you earn less, you also collect it. So another reason why this post did not really pay much, because it did not have much engagement. If this post gave me 300,000 views and over 20,000 likes, this particular post could have gotten over $10 or over $5 just with this amount of views. So Facebook pay most for engagement, so you should target engagement on Facebook, and you're going to make more money for yourself. $100 a day on Facebook is actually possible. Just follow these methods and be consistent enough to earn good amount of money for yourself. Tell me what you think in the comment section.